Hello Udo users and welcome to our channel. Today we will show you the demo on TNT shipping integration with Odoo. In this video we will walk you through company and shipping level configurations. This module is applicable in test and production environment. In this video we will cover single shipping response rate, generation of multiple packages and labels, and tracking of the shipments directly from the Odoo dashboard. So let's get started. As this application is downloaded from the Odoo App Store, first of all we will configure the company settings. For that, we will go to Settings, User and Companies, and go to Companies. Currently, we have configured a demo database. So first of all, we will mention all the general information of our company and go to TNT configuration. As we check this box, we will mention all this information that is provided to us by TNT shipping provider. Currently, as this is the demo database, I am not mentioning any information over here. As all this information is completed, company configuration gets completed, and now we will go to shipping configuration. For that, we will navigate to Sales module, open configuration, and go to shipping methods. In shipping methods, we have TNT shipping service configured, where we will mention the shipping service name, select the provider from the drop down menu, and see the configuration. First is company configuration. If we have more than one company in our Odoo database, we can select any one of them to which TNT shipping service is applicable. Next is content type. So if you have documents or non-documents type in the shipping, you can configure them and can select any one of them. Next is the payment indication. So receiver or sender, whoever is to be doing the payment, you can mention them in the configuration and select it. Next is the service providers. So there are different types of services provided by TNT and we have configured them all. You can select any one of them as per the requirement. Next is the option types. So here are other option types provided. Priority, biological substance, dry ice or as LB section. You can select any one of them as per the requirement. Next is the package type. So there are more than one types of packages for every shipping service partners. You can configure them and select any one of them. As you go to the internal link, you have the package sizes to be mentioned, courier and the courier code if applicable. So this is the basic shipping service configuration. Now we will go and create a sales order. So let's add some customer names, add some products over here and add some quantities. When adding some quantities, we will add the shipping now. We will select shipping as TNT shipping service and go to get live rate. Here we will get the live rate. So $36.19 is what we got and let's add it. After adding it, we go to TNT shipping charges. So there are different types of charges. If you want to select this one, we can select that as well, which is express service. And now the same is populated over here and we will confirm our sales order. On confirming the sales order, delivery order gets created and we will go there. Here in the delivery order, first of all, we will divide this quantity into multiple packages. So I want this quantity to be divided into two packages. I will take 6 into one package, save it. Let's go to put in pack, add the package type and save it. Now I will select remaining quantities and do the same process, which is very easier. As we save it, we'll go to additional information and you can see that packages smart button is seen over here where you can see the packages that you have created. So as we go back, we have additional information. Well, first is the courier information. If you have selected courier in the sales order, the same will be populated over here. If not, you can select from the drop down menu as well. And if you want to change it, you can change it from here as well. As soon as we validate this delivery order, we can see tracking reference fetched over here and the label will be generated. So let's validate it. So tracking reference is seen over here and PDF is generated. So here are the PDFs. As you can see, service options are seen over here with express and priority shipping that we have configured in the shipping settings. And also you can see the tracking smart button where you can track your shipments directly from here. You will be redirected to the tracking page. Currently, as this is the demo database, you cannot see the tracking information over here, or else you can track it directly from here. So this is the basic shipping configuration. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while configuring the same for your store. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@vrajatechnologies.com. Don't forget to share and subscribe this video for future. Thank you.